Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the drain hose on your dishwasher. It's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a 1/4" nut driver and a 5/16" nut driver and maybe an adjustable wrench. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair we will need to pull the dishwasher out of the cabinets. So the first thing we'll need to do is locate the electrical panel, turn off the appropriate breaker or remove the appropriate fuse. We'll also need to turn off the inlet water supply and disconnect the drain hose at the sink. Now next we'll take the lower access panel off, remove that so that we can disconnect the inlet water supply and the electrical if needed so that we can pull that dishwasher out of the cupboards. Once we disconnected the inlet water supply and the electrical, we pull the dishwasher out of the cabinets. We've removed the old drain hose. We're now ready to install a new one. So we'll use the clamp that was supplied with the new hose. Start by sliding that onto the end of the drain hose. We'll fit that over the end of the drain pump. Make sure it bottoms out. And then we'll simply tighten that clamp. Make sure that's good and secure. And we'll also want to make sure that when we install that dishwasher back into the cabinets that we have that drain hose up to a minimum height of 18 inches along the side of the tub, up to about 32 inches in height. And that will prevent that dishwasher from siphoning out during the fill cycle. Once we've done that, we'll thread the outlet end of that drain hose through your cabinets and connect it to the drain. Now that we've connected the drain hose to the drain, we've reconnected our inlet water supply and our power. We pushed the dishwasher back into the cabinets and reattached it to the bottom of the countertop. We've put our kick plate back on. Our repair is complete.